There you have it, guys. We just tied and dyed this. So for the design that I'm going to be doing, I'm going to lay out my shirt, and then at the center of the shirt I'm going to hold it down, press down like that, and so basically you're going to be doing a lot of rubber band over it like that. Okay, you can double it, just ensure that whatever you're doing it is tight. So I'm going to be doing a lot more. I'm going to put it all the way down. So basically there's no real specific design to this. So now I'm going to take my markers, and this is where the art begins. Because today is Nigeria's birthday, we are going to just take your marker and just make marks everywhere. Just make your marks. And ensure that wherever you're making your mark, it's all down. You can make it really heavy, like really heavy stains. You can make it really light. So now put your bunch on a tray, okay, and take your spirit, your methylated spirit. Basically just spray it as generously as you can. Make sure you turn to the other side too and spray it away. Ensure that your spirit covers everywhere. Every single way, okay? Not leave any part untouched. Okay, just spray as generously as you can. Oh, the sun is out. I'm shooting outside and the sun is out. Okay, so I let it sit. for a while. Now we are going to more. If you know spray, you know that spray dries up real fast through evaporation. So now that the spray is dried off, we have our dyed clothes, our dyed shirt. Now if I had done much more, if I had like put much more rubber bands, you will see, let me remove this one. You can actually just cut it, but because I do not want to waste it. Now if we had put more rubber bands, you will see this banded lines more often. Say here again, the banded lines. So the number of times you put the rubber band, that's the number of times you will find the banded lines there. It, guys, we just tied and dyed this t-shirt. Now because I folded it so well, I didn't paint these areas, okay? I didn't paint these areas, and so they are there. So you can decide to go over it again and just, dye this area, which is something I feel like I want to do right now. The back is there because we didn't touch the back at all.